So to finish up this right triangle, we're going to set up an equality with these fractions to cross multiply. So we start with this blue one, this side down here. So this side down here is DE, and then this one up here is DF. DF is one of the things we need to find out. So we also need to figure out the, so here's what we need to figure out. DE, DF, and then FE. If we find out these three things, we'll have the answer to this one, which is the perimeter of this blue triangle. DEF, yeah. So we're going to use that red triangle on the inside. This side down here, so let's call this, oh, there's not really a label here. Let's make that G and H. So DE is on the same side as DG, and then DF is on the same side as DH. So we know that DG is 7 square roots of 3. We know that we don't know what DH is, and then we don't know what DE is, and we don't know what DF is. So this is what we have so far. So what we need to do is use the special right triangle. This is 7 square roots of 3, so that's the long, this is the short, and this is the height for this red triangle. So I'm going to change to another color. So we have the long. So you have long, then let's use this one here. So short equals long times square root of 3 divided by 3. So the long is 7 square roots of 3, and then it's times square root of 3 divided by 3. So it's going to be 7 square root of 9 divided by 3. The square root of 9 is 3, so 7 times 3 divided by 3, and then those reduce, so this is just going to be 7. So HG here is 7. Right here is 7. So if we know the short, we can figure out the hypotenuse, because hypotenuse is 2 times the short. So hypotenuse equals 2 short. H equals 2 times 7. So the hypotenuse is 14. Okay, so that's DH. We know DH is 14. We have to figure out the other two. Oh, that's 14 there also. So that means this is going to be, this is going to be easier, I thought. That's split down the middle. This is also split down the middle. Ah, okay. So that's split down the middle. This is also split down the middle. So this is also going to be 7 square roots of 3. And if that's the midpoint, that means this is 14. Yeah, so it all works. If you remember the mid-segment theorem, this would be half of that. And then you have this right triangle on the outside. You can do this process all over again. So it all works out. But anyway, DE is going to be 28, 14 plus 14. DF is going to be, oh wait, that's the wrong one. Undo. So DE, where is it? DE is down here. That's going to be 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 square root of 3. DF is 28. And then FE is 14. So 14 and 28, that's 42. So technically the answer is 42 plus 14 square root of 3. Which if you plug it into a calculator, will equal about 66.25. as the area. Meters, not area, perimeter. This is a P.